Glad to hear from anywheregaming.com, and it's time for another weigh-in for our weight loss challenge. And Dave is here with me today, not sick, thankfully, and
Hi guys.
other people not sick. It's just been bad luck on Fridays overall.
Yeah. Maybe we should do this on Mondays from now on. Probably
Maybe.
better day.
Well, I have to say, I know I'm going to have a bad weigh-in this morning because last night we went out for dinner and I got ice cream as well. And this morning, well, it was before I did my major bowel movement of this morning, so maybe that's helped. But I was 2 pounds heavier this morning than I was yesterday.
So you did do it. Oh, okay.
I did already, yes. But before I did that, I weighed myself this morning, first thing.
That's 2 pounds.
And I was 2 pounds heavier than yesterday. And so that, it's interesting, your weight fluctuates a lot, and from what I think it is that the amount of food that happens to be in your body at the time that you weigh is probably one of the bigger factors, and the liquids as well. Because yesterday, on my scale at home, I started at 207. This one is different, and I don't like this one, but oh well. I started at 207, and yesterday I was at 199. So that's like 8 pounds. This morning I was at 201. So I don't expect this scale to show me any better than I was last week. But that's okay, because I still feel good, because I know that I'm making progress. And this 2 pounds that I just gained since yesterday, that's going to go away fast once I drink lots of water today and eat well and all that kind of stuff. So, but we're still going to do the weigh-in because got to see what kind of progress you made. Do you remember what you started at? No? According to this.
176.
I'm going to pause and we're going to quickly check. Okay, so I checked, and Dave started off at 176.8, and I started off at 207.6, and last week weighed in at 203.2.
Now I had my shoes on, my white running shoes, and I have different shoes here today. These are heavier. So what I'm going to do is from now on, just weigh myself without shoes.
Yeah, that's probably the best way to do it. All right, so Dave's going first. Oh, so hold on. We gotta be able to see where we are. 170.2. All right, so step off and try again. You can just go right back on it. It'll start over. Yep, okay. 100. Whoa. Oh. I love this thing. And one more time. I know it's on carpet. It's okay. I've been tracking my weight at home a lot, so I'm really not too concerned. Okay. Wow. Quite the variance. One more time.
Okay.
We went from 170, 172, and 173. Is that what we saw?
No.
You want to just stick with that one?
Sure.
All right. So 170. So that means you're down. What were you at? So you're down 7 pounds pretty much.
Yeah.
6.8 pounds. Do you know what you're actually down? Have you been tracking yourself at home?
I'm about the same at home.
All right, about 7 pounds?
Yep.
Oh, well that's good then.
I think this thing is temperamental, so
I know.
I've
That's what I get for buying a cheap scale.
been drinking a lot more water, like a lot more. Like I pee 5 times as much because I wasn't drinking enough water, or I was dehydrating myself.
Yeah, that's a big part.
Yeah, and I was getting headaches actually.
Because you weren't drinking
Because
enough?
I was dehydrated.
Yeah.
Dehydration headaches, right? Yeah, but it's good. I'm drinking more water. That's what I've done. My diet has pretty much been the same because I don't eat a bunch of
crap.
I don't. I don't have a sweet tooth.
That's good. Okay, my turn. Okay, so I was at 203.2 last week, and I'm not hopeful that'll be any better. But we'll see what it says. Yeah, see, it's a little worse. Whatever it's going to settle on, it's not going to be below 203.2.
It's 204.4.
And if I go like this...
Because you are David Copperfield, you can just add 5 pounds to your weight.
Because scales like this...
204.
All right, well, let's stick with that.
Well, just... yeah.
Because you rock back and forth, you can distribute your weight a little different on the scale, and so it's more sensitive in certain areas, which is kind of frustrating.
Where's that other scale we had before?
That was my personal scale, and it's at home.
You should bring it in.
Wow. I need it at home. I weigh myself every morning on it.
Well, just bring it in the day we weigh ourselves.
That's not a bad idea, unless I bike. Then it's a bad idea.
Well, call me up. We'll pick it up at your house. We gotta...
We'll have to start over, though. We'll have to, like, weigh ourselves.
Nah, I don't think so. I think.
Well, I know. I started at 207. I got down to 198 at one point, and then I went back up to 199 a little bit because I've this week I haven't done really, really well. Last week I did really well, and I dropped like 5 pounds. It was great. This week not as well, but I'm not concerned, as you can see, because I know I purposely cheated last night, and we went out to dinner. We just need a night where we don't have to worry about it, because you have to have that sometimes.
Wait, what do you mean you purposely cheated? I want to understand this logic. What does that mean to purposely cheat?
We had a cheat night.
Oh, so it was deliberate.
Deliberate, yeah.
So you're like, okay, well, I planned to actually eat.
Yeah. Because my wife's been doing the weight loss challenge as well.
Yeah.
And going through like not eating the stuff, and it's stressful. It actually can add stress a lot, especially when she's a stay-at-home mom with little kids. And so we just needed an evening where we could just relax from it and kind of recharge, and that's important too. And so we did that last night, and I knew I was going to weigh in this morning, but the way things culminated last night was important for us to do it and just kind of relax and enjoy ourselves. And so unfortunately it means the weigh-in this morning is not as good, but I know that I was down at least 8 pounds. So I'm happy with the progress I'm making, and I know because now I'm regenerated and ready to go and energetic and have the right mental state of mind, or whatever, frame of mind. And so by next Friday I wouldn't doubt if I'm down like a few more pounds. So we'll see how it goes though. So that's it. That's our weigh-in for this week. Leave your comments below if you are weighing in as well. Let us know how much you've lost. And stay tuned until next Friday when we do another weigh-in.
So we are going to do it Friday still?
Well, Monday's the holiday, so we won't be able to start next week on Monday. So.
All right, see you next Friday.
Happy working.